don't know whether you're going to be using the standard retaining bolts.
Yes, probably.
I always tap mine out 516 UNC
All right.
because they're only quarter UNF.
They are.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I take them out to 516 UNC, so I've got a bit more bite.
In the end of the cam.
Yes.
Yeah.
And do you use the tab washers on that?
I make my own, so it covers.
The peg. Now,
Okay.
what is the peg? Is that a roll pin?
No,
Or
it's a bit
piece
of
1/8 steel,
bit of silver steel.
1/8
4 mil. That is.
4 mil.
Well, you know, 1/8.
My engine's an Imperial.
Yeah, don't mention metric to Mike. Red mist comes up.
That's a good
the
idea,
French.
isn't it? Yes. Make.
It's whatever you want to make it, John.
No, because yes, that is. Well, just that idea of having the tab washer cover that. 'Cause
Yeah.
That's wider than the normal one.
Yeah.
Holds it all in place.
Wide to cover peg.